Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 29, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see the futures are trading higher by about 1 point to 23.52.5 per contract. Yesterday afternoon, the markets did hold their rally, and that's 2 days now that we've seen the markets surge higher. So all in all, we'll see what today brings us. We'll see if we get a little bit of a pause, but we have had a 2-day bounce in the major market indexes, so we'll see what today brings. What we like to do is look at the leading stocks in the news, and we're going to start with Restoration Hardware today. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock is trading at $44.35. It closed yesterday at 38 bucks. So this is a pretty sizable pop. There is pretty good resistance around 45. You can see that was the pre-market high or the aftermarket high yesterday. So if it gets through there, then the stock has more to climb. But right now, I do think it is a little bit overbought, a little bit stretched. And I think traders, if you own it, you want to trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be jumping on board here. But nonetheless, good pop ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how that plays out later today. In sympathy, you want to watch Sonoma WSM. So this stock is getting a bid as well. Again, if this stock got up to around $53.60, I think it could be an intraday fade candidate. So keep it on the radar for later today. Sonoma at around 53.65, 53.75. There could be a fade play on this stock. So again, WSM moving higher in sympathy to Restoration Hardware. But again, if it does go a little bit higher into that 63.60 level, 53.60 level, there will be very good resistance there. Let's take a look at SONC, SONC. I believe they reported earnings as well. Stock closed at $23.92. It's trading with 23.65. So there's no play on it right now. We'll keep an eye on it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room today. Let's take a look at Dave & Buster. Ticker symbol is PLAY. Play, and you'll see this stock right now is trading at $60.59. Closed at $62.19. It did come off the lows yesterday in the after hours. It did sink all the way down below 57. Has returned back up towards the $60 level. Again, the only level I like for this stock today is a lot lower. It would be around $55.90. So again, keep that level on the radar. I don't know if it'll even come into play today, but it could. This stock is usually on the thinner side, meaning it rarely does it trade 1 million shares a day. On average, about 500,000 to 700,000. So again, if it does come down to around $55.90, that would be an intraday long play for me in this name. Let's take a look at VRNT, Verint. And Verint Systems right now trading at $42.60. Good little pop up here. I am seeing some resistance around $43.80 to 44 bucks. So again, big resistance there, $43.80 to $44. Again, good move on Verint. I think this might be on earnings as well. Let's take a look at PAYX. PAYX is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 61 bucks, closed at 60.58. So there's not a whole lot to do at the moment. Again, today I have a couple levels that I would be watching for if the stock did decline. One would be right around $59.16. That would be the 200-day moving average. If it got down there, I do think that is going to be some decent support. After that, though, I have to look all the way at 56 bucks, and that would be my next level. So keep those levels on the radar today for PAYX. Next up, we want to take a look at F5 Systems. FFIV is the ticker symbol here. F5 Networks, I should say. Stock right now is trading at 142.40, closed at 147.13. This did slide sharply this morning, but has recovered. Again, the volume is not that great, so we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see where it goes. Right off the bat, though, I do see some support around 138.50 if it does get there. Next up, we want to take a look at Dunkin' Brands or Dunkin' Donuts. DNKN is the ticker symbol there. Dunkin' Brands right now trading at $54.15. Stock closed at $56.11. I am seeing support at two levels. Aggressive traders could try $53. Non-aggressive traders wait for the gap to be filled around 52 bucks or pierce of 52. So those are the two levels that I'm seeing. If you want to be aggressive, though, 53 could work. Non-aggressive traders, look for a gap fill around 52 or pierce of 52. That should be a better level, but Dunkin' brands will be in play this morning. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up 70 cents to $1,256.10 an ounce. It looks like we have crude oil trading up 12 cents to $48.49 a barrel. So all in all, gold and oil are basically flat today. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. And again, hopefully we get a nice little bit of volatility here this morning and we get some movement. And when we get that, we usually get a lot of trading action. So we've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.